Alright, so today I'll be working on this Whirlpool microwave. Alright, so it coming on but not heating. Alright, so I will show you what is the problem and how to fix it. So I ran some tests earlier and I discovered that this wire that hook up to the transformer, it burned out. Let me see if I can shine out the light. Right, so this wire hook up to the transformer, it burned out. Right, so this is the terminal here, the connection, and you can see it burn out. So this has a change, right? So I'll put it on and show you not heating. Alright, so I'll put it on, show you not heating, and why not heating? Because the wire. Alright, so make sure this wire ain't touching. We have the ice. Alright, so unplug it over 12 seconds. And it's saying drips of water, right? So it's not heating. So the problem is the wire. I will unplug this. Alright, so the problem here is the wire, right? So to fix that now, you gotta get one of this. And you get one of this, and you take out the old, you cut out the old part. Push it in, and then I crimp it. Alright, so it crimp on. Now to put it on. And if you find too slack, you could probably squeeze this end a little thing. Push it in. Alright, so make sure it tight and secure. And now we will demonstrate the ice again. And plug it on. Alright, so I run it for 12 seconds. Unplug. Right, so you see it, you get more water and melt out. Now to check. Right, it's hot. Right, so it's working. So the main problem really was this bad, this wire burn out. And all I gotta do is just clamp it on back with a terminal and it's good to go. So I will melt out this ice again to make sure that it's working, it's heating. I'll show this water. And I'll set it for at least 30 seconds this time. Alright, so 30 seconds. So sometimes it'll be like a difficult problem, sometimes it'll be like a real simple problem. Sometimes it'll be like the capacitor, the magnetron, the diode, the transformer. But in this case, it's just a simple wire that burn out. Nothing really, it's just a simple wire. And simple things like this just be so easy to fix. Imagine this burnout. Unplug it. So you see it. Alright, you see how much water, so it's working. This is a side. So there you have it. Sometimes microwave not working, it's a simple problem like a wire. All I gotta do is check, troubleshoot it. Right, all I gotta do is troubleshoot it and see what the problem. And it could be a simple wire like this. So a simple wire like this could be the problem. Alright. So thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.